Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no SIM card install error that you might see on your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is pull down or pull up the control menu and put your phone on airplane mode for about 10-15 seconds and then turn it off. And that does a quick network refresh. Now if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is if you happen to have a physical SIM card on your iPhone, it's either going to be located on the left or the right hand side. This phone doesn't have it, but I have one that has a physical SIM card like this one, right? It's right here, and you're gonna see what's known as a SIM ejector tool. If you don't have this, you can use a paper clip or an earring piece that can fit in this hole, and you're just gonna give it a little gentle push and then pop that SIM card out and then reinsert it in. Make sure it's flushed against the bezel. That way it can actually read the SIM card and doesn't think that there's no SIM card. Now, if you have an eSIM card, we're going to move on to the next thing. What you're going to do is go into your setting and then go to General and click on About. Right here, we're going to wait a little bit to see if there's a pop-up message that pops up that says Carrier Update Available. If there is, you're going to click on Update. Now, if there isn't, we're going to move on to the next thing. The next thing is going to be starting from the main settings here. We're going to go to General and then scroll down until you see VPN and Device Management. And if there is a VPN, you need to turn off the VPN as it can block your SIM card. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to do, starting from the main settings here, we're going to go to General, and then this time scroll down all the way to the bottom. You go to Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on that. We're going to click on Reset, and we're going to do what's known as a network setting reset. This will not delete any of your data, and all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. It's just the network settings themselves. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to do, starting from the settings again, you're going to go to General, Software Update, update your phone software to the latest version. Now, if that didn't fix it for you, the next thing to do is following this step here. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button just like that. We're going to wait for the screen to go completely black and the Apple logo to reappear on the screen before we let go of that side button. So this is known as a forced restart, which basically forces the phone software to shut down and then reload the code to fix any software related issue. Again, this method will not delete any of your data. It is safe to do, and if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try again. And after you're back on, let's say none of this worked for you, you need to contact your phone carrier. Sometimes they have to do something on their end, such as make sure your number is added to their system. Maybe they have to do a sync or something on their end, which they can help troubleshoot that you cannot do. And in any case, I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.